In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Dream Efficiency 5303 Lightning.Force COM to set up a new field in Salesforce. Let's dive right into it and guide you through each step of the process. Begin by navigating to the home page of Salesforce. This is your main hub for all Salesforce activities and the starting point for today's task. Once you're on the home page, look around for the gear icon, a universal symbol for settings. Clicking on this icon will open up an array of options related to Salesforce configuration. The next item on our agenda is to click Open Advanced Setup. This is crucial as it expands your configuration options, allowing you to manage and customize your Salesforce environment further. After opening the Advanced Setup, you'll need to locate the search bar. Here, type in Object Manager. The Object Manager is where you'll manage all your Salesforce objects and their configurations. Once you see it, click on Object Manager to proceed to the next step. Inside the Object Manager, you'll see various labels representing different objects. Choose the label that pertains to what you're aiming to configure. Next, direct your attention to the tab labeled Fields and Relationships. Clicking on this tab opens a detailed view of all existing fields and relationships for the selected object. Now it's time to create a new field. Find and click the New button. This allows you to specify the details for your new field. It's an important action that sets you up for the next series of inputs. From here, you'll be prompted to choose your data type. This decision pertains to what kind of data your new field will hold. Be it text, number, data, or any other format, select the appropriate data type to meet your needs and hit Next. With the data type chosen, it's time to input the field label. The field label is essentially the name for your field that users will see. Enter a concise and descriptive label that reflects the content or purpose of the field clearly. Next, you'll define the length of your field. This involves specifying how many characters or numbers can be stored. Set an appropriate length based on the expected data and move to the next step. After that, consider setting a default value for your field. A default value is automatically filled in when someone fills out a form, offering a starting point or suggestion for what the field should contain. Press Next again to proceed, closely followed by another click on Next as you review any additional settings or configurations. Finally, you will need to save your new field. Clicking Save confirms all the settings you have inputted and integrates the new field into the Salesforce object. By following these steps, you have successfully navigated your way through configuring a new field in Salesforce. It's a straightforward process, but one that empowers you to tailor Salesforce to better fit your needs. Happy configuring!